If you have been following my video, you will know that I've shared a various way in which you can make money through real estate, right? I talk about you can make money through real estate by investing in properties and land. There's another sure way you can actually make money through real estate, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you right now, right? So instead of you buying a property or buying a land, right, you can actually invest in their property, and then that money can be yielding dividend for you, right? It's just like going to bank to save your money, but in bank you will not get dividends on your money. In fact, you will not get anything. You are not getting anything on your money. But with real estate, investing with them, right, you can actually get dividend with your money, and it is an amazing offer, right? There's a video, there will be a link or probably a number showing up on your screen right now. You can actually take this number or call this number just to know more about this offer. You invest with 500,000 naira, you be 550,000 naira, you will be getting over 700,000 naira in return at the end of the year. You invest like 1 million, you'll be getting close to 1.5 at the end of the year as a return on investment. So it's a beautiful offer. It is something that you need to begin to look at, right? So thank you.